Hey buddies, Dr. Mac. Time for another Where in the World is Dr. Mac? Today I am at 8,429 feet above sea level. This is a fire lookout tower. It's actually operated out of Oregon, even though I'm not in Oregon. That makes it kind of interesting. It has an Osborne firefinder still in operation today, 90 years after manufacture. And it's able to look over 3 different national forests. So I want to know, what's the name of this lookout tower? Consider the elevation, consider 3 different national forests, consider that it's actually operated out of Oregon, even though it's not in Oregon. And one of the other things it looks over is the deepest cut in North America. All right, good luck everybody.